Alright, there she is. Now I'm fixing to anneal it. Not anneal it, I'm sorry, I'm fixing to harden it. So we're going to stick it down in there, kick on the little fan. Now, what I'm going to do is let that get heated up, and then I'm going to put this blade in this way, because I don't really want all that heat right there on the edge of that. So we'll get ready to get that started, and I'll be right back. Well, let's just show you sticking her on in. Sit there and let her heat up, and we'll be ready here in a few minutes. Okay, I'm fixing to pull it out, stick the blade part in, and see where we're at. I may not have enough.